how to add button to existing flow in ManyChat. So first, go to your account and then just click on automation here at the left side, and then open up one of your flows. So I'll just open mine, and then you will see something like this. So look for the message content, this one, click on it, and then you just need to click on the add button here, and then select what would happen if this button is pressed. So let's say I'm going to select call number. So whenever someone selects this button here, they will call a number, and then you just need to type in the title, button title. So I'll just say call here, and then you just need to type in the specific phone or custom field phone. So I'll just choose specific phone, and then type in the specific phone number here, something like this. And then so whenever someone or the customer clicks on the call button, they will immediately call this specific phone number. Okay, just click on done, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.